What's up, y'all? It's KahlasiaMonae, and I am so glad that you decided to tune in today. If you are new here, hey queens. If you are returning, hey queens. And if there's any guys here, hey kings, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can know each and every time that I post a video. Let's just jump straight into this video. This is going to be a part 2 of my previous video that I uploaded this morning. If you have not seen that video, let it go. Go over, watch that video, and then come back to this one. This title is going to be in regards to identity. It does not matter what you've done, what someone has done to you. God said, old things are passed away. Behold, I am new. You have to know who God has called you to be. You have to know that your mistakes does not define you. You have to know that what they did to you does not define you. You have to know that, yes, you might have done some crazy things, some things you probably never even thought that you would do, or they might have done some crazy things to you, things that you never even asked for, things that you could have never imagined, things that you would never pray on your worst enemy. But you have to know that you are not your mistake. You are not what they did to you. You are not what they did to you. You've been crying way too long. You've been worrying about it way too long. Wipe them tears from your eyes right now. Wipe them tears from your eyes right now. Wipe the tears from your eyes right now and get up from that place. You've been in that place long enough. Oh my gosh. You've been in that place long enough. It's time to get up from that place. Stand up with your shoulders up and your chest out. Stand up with your head up, knowing I am not what I did, knowing I am not what they did to me. I forgive myself and I forgive them. I forgive myself and I forgive them. I forgive myself and I forgive them. In order for me to be who God is calling me to be, I have to stand up. I have to now take a stand. Yes, I'm not proud of my past. Yes, I'm not proud of what I've done. No, I've been embarrassed because of what they did to me. I've been embarrassed because of the shame and the humiliation. I've been embarrassed because of what this person said and what that person said. I've been embarrassed about my own self. Oh my gosh, I've been embarrassed about my own actions and my own doings and my own decisions. But now it's time for me to stand up and truly stand in the word of God. God said old things are passed away. If God believes that old things are passed away, if he comes to make me new, if he comes to wash me whiter than snow, then why am I still living, oh my gosh, why am I still living in my old identity? Why am I still allowing my mind to become subjection to the things that were? Why am I allowing my thoughts, oh my gosh, to control me? Why am I allowing these negative things to control who I am today? Who I am today, I am not that same person. That person that I was before, I am no longer. That person that I was before, I am no longer. The person that I was before, the decisions that I made, the places that I went, the people that I've hung out with, the people that even tried to hang out with me, the people that done things to me, I am not there anymore. So you have to remind yourself, if you come looking for me, that girl won't be there anymore. If you come looking for me, that girl will not be there anymore. If you try to go to those old places, that girl will not be there anymore. For I am new. I am new, and because I'm new, I show up new. Because I'm new, I show up new. Because I'm new, you find me in new places and new spaces. And because I am new, I don't operate how I used to operate. I don't say the things that I used to say. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If we want to be free, oh my gosh, from the mental bondage, we have to be free for real. We have to be free for real. We have to be free for real. Once we let it go, once we let it go, once we let it go, we have to walk in our true identity. Once we let it go, we have to walk in our true identity. Who does God say that I am? Who does God say that I am? Who does God say that I am? And if I don't know, I have to go back to the source. I have to go back to the source. In order for me to find out more about me, I got to know more about God. In In order for me to find out more about me, I have to find more about God. I have to find out more about God. And the more I seek him, the more I learn him, the more I learn his ways, the more I learn why he created me, the more I learn the purpose for my life. I get to stand up boldly in my purpose. I get to stand up boldly in my assignment. I get to stand up boldly in any room that you place me in, because now I know my identity. Now I know the one that created me. Now I can stand firm. Oh my gosh. I can stand flat-footed. Oh my gosh. I can stand with confidence. Oh my gosh. You allowed your past to keep you stuck. You allowed your past to keep you in bondage. You allowed your past to just keep you in a place where you can't even recognize yourself. It's time for you to get up from that place. It's time for you to get up from that place. It's time for you to get up from that place. You've been crying long enough. Oh my gosh. You've been worrying about it long enough. It's been weighing on you long enough. But now is the time. Now is the time. Now is the time for you to get up from that place. It's not too late. It's not too late. It's not too late. It's not too late. There's breath in your body, so you still have time. There's life in your body, so you still have time. There is breath in your body. Just take a second and breathe. There is breath in your body, so that means you have an opportunity to stand in your identity. You have the opportunity to stand in your confidence. You have an opportunity to walk in the ways of God, to think in the ways of God, to speak in the ways of God. Okay, I forgave myself. I even forgave them, but I want to stand in my true identity. Oh my gosh. I want to stand in my true identity. I want to stand in my true identity. I want to stand freely, boldly in who God called me to be. And a part of that is knowing who I am in God. Knowing who I am in God. Those things are old. Write in the comment section below everything new. Everything new. My mindset is new. Oh my gosh. My heart is new. Oh my gosh. My actions are new. The things that I do is new. The places that I go is new. My connections is new. Oh my God. My relationships are new. Oh my gosh. My relationships are new. Oh my gosh. So if you're looking for that old girl, you won't find her here. If you're looking for that old girl, you will not find her here. I am sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I had to break the news to you. But that girl no longer resides here. That girl no longer resides here. You have to speak to yourself just like that. That girl no longer resides here. For I am new in God. I am a new creature. Everything about me is new. Everything about me is new. Everything about me is new. From my head to my feet, everything new. Everything new. Everything new. Everything new. Everything new. Oh my gosh, I felt that for somebody. Everything new. So a part of us letting it go, right? A part of us letting it go, right? We realize now that we have to step in our new identity, right? The ways we used to operate and the things we used to think about and the things that used to plague us and the things that used to trigger us and the things that used to hurt us and the things that used to keep us bound and stuck and the things that used to keep us just in the place where you can't recognize yourself. Those things are no longer. Those things are no longer. So I truly pray. I pray. My assignment here is to encourage you to live the life that God intends for you to live. And we are on a journey to becoming her together. So if you know another woman, if you know another girl that can benefit from my channel, if you say this is a channel for me, this is where I'm supposed to be, this is what I'm supposed to be hearing, this is what I'm supposed to be putting in my spirit, share this video, share it with us, share it with your friends, share it with your family members. I love y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep going up, y'all. Let's keep going up for Jesus. Let's keep going up for God. I love y'all so much, and I pray that this video helps you. It blesses you, it inspires you, it encourages you to be the best you that you can be. I love y'all. See y'all on the next video.